अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आज प्रैक्टिस प्रॉब्लम 1.10 यानी 1.10 कराएंगे। और ये प्रैक्टिस प्रॉब्लम जो है ना, ये एक्सिस और लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट के बारे में है। तो एक्सिस और लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट के बारे में एक डिटेल वीडियो मैंने ऑलरेडी अपलोड कर दी है। अगर आपको मौका मिले तो प्लीज़ वो वीडियो देखें। वो वीडियो देखने के बाद ये वाला प्रॉब्लम जो है ना, समझना इजी हो जाएगा। मैं क्वेश्चन रीड आउट कर देता हूँ कि इफ 0.6 moles of chlorine gas is reacted with 0.5 moles of aluminum metal to produce aluminum chloride, which reactant is in excess? And the second part of the question is how many moles of aluminum chloride can be produced from the reaction. Now, the data which is given to us in this question is the amounts of chlorine, which is 0.6 mole, and the number of moles of aluminum metal, which is 0.5 moles. What we need to find, there are two parts in this question. First, we need to find which one is excess reagent, and the second part of the question is about calculating the actual product PAM. In order to attempt this question, we will first try to attempt the first part of the question, which is identification of the excess reagent. To find out excess reagent, we need to calculate the amount of product formed on both the reactants. The reactant that produce the most amount of the product will be excess reagent. So what we will do now, we will take the reaction and we will construct our conversion factor or ratio on the basis of that balanced chemical reaction. So the amounts that are given to us are already in moles, therefore we don't need any conversion and we will directly construct our ratio. So product produced by aluminum, according to the balanced chemical equation, if you look at the equation, 2 moles of aluminum produce 2 moles of aluminum chloride. Now I want to find out how many moles of aluminum chloride will be produced from 0.5 moles of aluminum. Now this is a simple ratio, and if you know the ratio in proportion in mass, you will be able to solve this ratio very quickly. But what we do, we cross multiply both the values. Like we this 2 moles is multiplied with x and these 2 moles is multiplied with 5, and we get x multiplied by 2 is equal to 0.5 multiplied by 2. X will be equal to 0.5 multiplied by 2 divided by 2, and x is 0.5, and x was our product that was formed on the basis of aluminum. So aluminum produces 0.5 moles of aluminum chloride. Now let's calculate the product on the basis of chlorine. We will construct our ratio. As you can see in the balanced chemical equation, that 3 moles of chlorine produces 2 moles of aluminum chloride. So 3 moles of chlorine produces 2 moles of aluminum chloride. Now the amount that was given to us was 0.6 moles of chlorine. So 0.6 moles of chlorine will produce how much aluminum chloride? Now you know how to solve the ratio. Cross multiply the things, you will get the product produced by chlorine is 0.4 mole. Now as you can see on the one side, product produced by aluminum is 0.5 mole and product produced by chlorine is 0.4 mole. So as I can see, the aluminum produces the most amount of the product. That's why aluminum is our excess reagent and chlorine is our limiting reagent. You can see that as more product is produced by aluminum, that's why aluminum is the excess reagent and chlorine is the limiting reagent. Now let's go to the second part of the question. And the second part of the question, we were asked that calculate the maximum amount product PAM. So here, as we already know that the product produced depend on the limiting reagent. जो limiting reagent होता है उस पे product का बनना मुनहसिर करता है. इसी वजह से we have already calculated that chlorine is the limiting reagent. ये हमने क्लोरीन के बेसिस पे प्रोडक्ट कैलकुलेट कराया था. इसी वजह से वी डोंट नीड टू डू द कैलकुलेशन अगेन. हमें ऑलरेडी पता है कि क्लोरीन लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट है और क्लोरीन इतने मोल्स बनाता है एल्युमिनियम क्लोराइड के. इसी वजह से जो प्रोडक्ट प्रोड्यूस होगा वो हम क्लोरीन के बेसिस पे कैलकुलेट कराएंगे और वही एक्चुअल प्रोडक्ट होगा. सो द अमाउंट ऑफ एल्युमिनियम क्लोराइड प्रोड्यूस फ्रॉम 0.6 moles of chlorine will be 0.4 moles, and the product formation do not depend on aluminum because aluminum is in excess, while chlorine is the limiting reagent, and the maximum amount of product PAM or the actual amount of product PAM will depend on the limiting reagent, and the answer for this problem will be 0.4 moles of aluminum chloride. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching.